All right, girls, are you ready for a photo shoot? They just went out. Okay, we'll let you out. Come on, yay. Hi. Oh, do you want water? Let me get them water. Hey, yo, Lacey, are you happy you got water? All right, our stuff is over there. Pretty sure Leia's really scared of that. You're scared of it, right, Leia? Yeah. Guys, we're gonna bring Leia over to the doll, right over there. Come here, come here, come here. Are you scared of her? We're just gonna see if she's scared of her. Yep. Oh my gosh. Oh, my baby. Yeah, once I scare her, she's mad at me forever. Leia, come here, come here, come here, come here. Yeah, you can't stay mad for long. Yeah, Leia's terrified of this camera and my doll. So we're just gonna take some photos. I have some forks to take photos. So I'm gonna take some photos while they're just chilling over and having fun. Over there. Yeah, they're just over there chilling. I promise they stay on the grass sometimes, but they just don't feel like it. Yeah. This sprinkler is ruining the mood. Get out! Oh, look at Leia. She's absolutely just scared. Yeah, when she does that, she's scared. Y'all, this is not something you see every day. A person sitting in their backyard with a doll, with chickens running around, drinking water, with slippers on. No, Lacey, come back. I just got her over here. No, seriously? Oh, come on. No. Okay, I don't want to touch her because she's like kind of dirty. I tried so hard. Okay, I got the perfect shot. Wait, her camera. Wait, Lacey? You over there? You chilling? Yeah, I'm just having a normal photo shoot. Yeah, this is normally me. Oh, look, they're by the stairs. Don't be scared, it's just a doll. Hello. Hello. They're by the steps because they want a treat. And watch me, I'm gonna go inside. And then they're just gonna be by the steps. And I leave, and they can't see me. That's my dad over there. And they're still on the steps. Okay, back to our photo shoot. No treat this time, girls. I'm sorry. It's okay. It's alright. Okay, yeah, have fun. Don't go into the grill. Go on the grass. Go on the grass. Okay, whatever. Okay, wait. Am I the only one dumb enough to put leaves in her hair? Yeah, because I don't want her to get any bugs in her hair. Hello, hello, Lacey. Lacey, come on. Go to the grass. Okay, fine. Let's go to the big land. It's only like really small. Time to get some photos with the chickens. Yeah. Are you scared of the doll? Leia, okay, ready? This is Leia's reaction. Doll! Okay, yeah, she doesn't like AG dolls, but whatever. Okay, I think we got all our, oh wait, we could go to the garden and that beautiful, I almost tripped. Oh, everyone's scared. Oh, ah. Yeah, she's scared because of the doll. She's really scared of this doll. I had to re-put the camera in Mindy's hand, and while I was doing that, I snapped it. Oh, whoa, wait, I saw a sunburst. Wait, what? What? Okay, anyway. Oh wait, there it is. Haha, yeah, we're taking a photo over there. But as I was doing the elastic thing, it snapped on me, and then like, I was like, ah, and then Leia was like, whoa! So, let's take a photo with that sunburst. Guys, why do you like to hang out on the porch so much? Go on the grass. Yeah, we'll have playtime with Lacey and Leia in a little bit once we finish photography. Okay, these chickens love parkour. I literally just saw Leia jump from there to there to there, and she just loves parkour. What are you doing with your life, Lacey? Hi. Oh, did you just jump down? Yeah, they're parkour chickens. Okay, we're gonna put Dolly away, and we're going. Guys, don't panic. Just don't panic. It's just a doll. I know. Okay. Yet. Can we just lay her down in my room? Yes, we can.
No, you left that open. They can come in. open?
They're not gonna come in. Hi, Lacey.
Don't ever leave that open.
Don't be scared. Hi, Fluffy. It's playtime with Lacey and Leia now. Ready to play? Okay, I wanted to show you something Leia can do. Leia. Come here. Come here, baby. She's still mad at me. Okay, ready? So we're gonna put her here. Okay, ready? Come into the other pot. Come to the other pot. Come on. Come on. Get him, Leia. Good girl. And come to the other side. Come to the other side. Now, fly down here. Come on, Leia. Come on, you can do it. I know. No, Leia. Come down. Come down. Come down. Come on. Leia. Okay, come here now. Come on. Come on, Leia. Come on. Come on. Ready? We're going to slide down.
Where's your doll?
I put her in. Come on, Leia.
Oh.
Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Now. Yes. Leia is so good at parkour. I know. She's just so pro. Ha! Ah! She's scared. Now they're just eating grass over by their coopy. She loves to talk. Aw, you just sneezed. How cute. Fluffy buns. Fluffy buns. Hi, Leia.
Missing someone with all your own. Missing someone with heart. How much you missing?
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Turn on notifications. Bye! Enjoy the video, watch my hair, subscribe and like the video, and most of all, share the channel. I'm eating chips, by the way.